What up, guys? SGK 23 TV network in the building. Peace and blessings to everybody. Hope everybody's doing well, and hope everybody's doing well and coping with the coronavirus situation. Unboxing review. I think these are gonna be the sneaker of the year for me. You heard, but let's get right to it. Peace and blessings to everybody. I'm gonna do a video on IG Live. I just got done chopping it up with F Chris1 Customs on IG Live in regards to the Bape giveaway for tomorrow. All right. So since Air Max Day, when I placed the order, they came in today. All right. So when you're seeing the video, it's today. Hey, you probably got two videos today. You probably got the Christmas, and you're gonna get these right back to back. Peace and blessings. Let's get right to it, man. You guys know what to do. Support your boys, so on and so on. Unbox from Nike. Right, bam. You guys see it, size 10. I ain't gotta play with y'all. Yo, I'm impressed with these. I'm impressed with these. We're gonna do lights on, lights off on them. Incredible. I used to drool over these when I was a young kid in Latin America. As far as like just a regular, you guys would call them infrared, just white and red ones. And my parents had to save everything to send me to a private school because shit was so dangerous. Like no cars, nothing, but had to go to a private school. And one kid would get in trouble, or got in trouble one time by wearing Air Max 90s, the original ones. This is 84, 85. And I used to drool over these when we go to this like swap meet type of places, just regular ones. And they weren't fakes. Even to this day, like, it ain't the prices like out here. Prices are like 4 times as much. And yo, they killed it with this. The suede, the reverse duck camo is really reversed. It's real suede, not long cut, but it's real suede. You know what I'm saying? The original, the cuts, so on and so on these. I mean, they killed it with this Atmos Air Max 90 reverse camo jump off, the gator on the swoosh. The white laces look crazy. Just the patch. These are butter biscuits. Duck camo, you know, on top of the llama. You know what I'm saying? But let me see with the lights on how the video looks, and we can do a thorough detailed review for people that might want to grab these right now at $300, $350 before they go through the roof. These are bananas, and I'll explain why, and I'll give you guys my opinion. But let me hit the lights on these. Lights off, so we can really just get a regular look at them. You feel me? So you guys kind of got a touch of how they look like, you know, with some sort of light. Even though it's lit up in here, you guys can see it's lit up. Now just regular 4K professional LED lights in here everywhere, so on and so on. And let's do a review for those that might not want to spend that $300 right now resale. I would say go ahead and do it. I would. If something pops up good and I can get rid of something that I'm not feeling for $300, I'd get another pair. All right, Air Max 90, of course, classic. When I was a little kid, I'm talking about 84, 85. Outside of the U.S., not gonna say where, you know what I'm saying? I would drool over these. The original colors, kind of like the hyper blues and the original just infrared and white, just, you know, just the OGs joints, drool over them. And I believe in them, like in Latin America, quote unquote Caribbean. I believe those probably were, I don't know if they're authentic or not. Nah, they're authentic. I mean, this is 84. Would drool over them. And it was never going to happen. So, you know, we know the original Air Max 90 bottom. Infrared, black, bam. Right? White mid. Mud guard, black, polyurethane, air unit, looking wavy infrared towers. Continuing to the back with the white, real foamy, you know, Air Max 90. Don't gotta get crazy with it. Nike Air infrared on the black polyurethane on the back. Air Max right there as well. The alligator jump off. On the swoosh. That looks incredible. This part is suede. You know what I'm saying? With like some, you know, some camouflage, reverse duck camo type of print. So this is suede, that green, the light green. Suede up there. And this is crazy because, right, this light green is suede. You know what I'm saying? Nubuck, shortcut suede. But then like the reverse duck camo print, it's actually reverse duck camo print, like the other side. So it feels like, not leather, but has like a rough texture feel to it. You know what I'm saying? It's actually really, really reversed. There's the toe cap. There's the toe box. Look at the perfection on these, though. For real, guys. Come on now. All right. That's the wave. That is beautiful. That's the wave. The outside, the inside, you know. Air Max, Air Max. These deserve some time, wouldn't you guys say? I'll post what's going on with the sneaker giveaway for tomorrow. Most likely 9 p.m. Eastern. Polyurethane, rubber on both. The front, we got butter biscuit suede on the front. Right there, black. You couldn't customize these if you wanted to on, you know, Nike ID. The tongue, let's see. And OG Nike Air patch incorporated. Solar red, you know, like a white, grayish Air Max, the whole jump off. With the lights, it kind of popped a little bit. You guys can see that. They look really, really clean. The tongue is, yeah, it's suede and reverse duck camo, and it's all the way through it. You know what I'm saying? It's all the way through it. Of course, you got your OG white laces. You know, your regular 78, 83 jump off. Then on the solar red part, you know, we have the Air Max jump off, you know. This is that original Air Max joint, you know. I love the raw cuts. Solar red, of course, you know. Beautifully done. Back part as well, you know. Around the ankle, boom. The guts, the sock liner, the interior. It's like the same jump off, just on the soft situation of it. Footbed, solar red, infrared, Nike Air, and black. No, let's see the ticket to snatch. 10 US. Vietnam on these. UPC go right there. Shoe trees. Paper. Shoe trees. You know what I'm saying? God, these are beautiful. Jesus. Yeah, I'm going to try to get rid of something and grab another one of these. These are beautiful. As a collector, you got to love stuff like this. White laces, black laces. you know, white laces, black laces, or infrared laces, or whatever laces you want to put on. Got that OG, like the retro 4 breads we got this year, right? Or last year. Still need to grab those. Beautiful. I'm gonna do a whole Air Max 1, Air Max 90, just Air Max period video at New Year's or something. You know what I'm saying, guys? Those are fire. Dopest pickup this year for me so far as release. Yeah, even the Travis Scott 4, 6s, 1s, maybe the New Balance Bodegas around here. I'm still feeling these more. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Feeling these a lot more. Exclusive. Like they feel, yeah. It's crazy how they did the reverse camo with the suede. Your original, you know, Air Max infrared, you know, material. You know, we don't want to call it, it's not mesh, you know what I'm saying? It's that textile type of TPU, Air Max 90 OG type of, you know, the OG vibe, you know what I'm saying? Look beautiful, look dope. I think the white laces look pretty good on them too. Just as they are, like that. These, yeah, Nike laid to the motherfucker, right? You know what I'm saying? You guys can see that. Nike, feel me? Late. When these drop, when I ordered these, whenever they, you know, I mean, 26th of last month, I believe. And I got Nike orders that are like processing with no tracking number or nothing, you know? But yo, so far, sheesh. Hey, bananas on these. 10 out of 10 for me. SGK, man, GK, 10 points out of 10. They couldn't have executed them better. Perfect. Colorways, butter. It's butter biscuit quality. The quality control is impeccable. The suede, the materials, the suede, the reverse duck camo, the alligator on the black swoosh, the infrared guts, the polyurethane parts, mud guards, the air unit, tower solar red, the outer, the mid white is so foamy, like you can feel it. The laces, it just feels like 1984 or something. The OG, you know, hang tag, extra laces, the patch on the tongue, kills it. I love patches, you guys know that. Like, you got to do a good patch, a good tab on the tongue, you know, of a sneaker. I think it makes the sneaker, you know what I'm saying? But it's got to be executed well. And this is definitely, when I cut this off right now, about a minute, I'm going to sit here for another 30 minutes looking at these, taking some photos, put them on IG Live. Butter biscuits, man, A1 sauce. If you guys enjoyed the video, the review, that's how they look. You guys know what you can do for your boy. Support the real, not the phonies. This video, the Christmas video is uploading. The UA joint up there is uploading. And I don't want to hit you guys with too much at one time, pause, but everything's coming in at once, you feel me? But yo, these are crazy. Give you guys the looks. Some people might want to pick these up, so relax, guys. Some people out there trying to pull the trigger, you know what I'm saying, on 350 or 300 or something like that, you know what I'm saying? And they really want a thorough review, honest opinion. Air Max 1s, Air Max 90s. I love them. I love where Air Max has gone and the different models and waves throughout, you know, throughout the years. again, I used to drool over just the basic ones. You know, you guys call them like the infrareds. They were just the red and white ones to me when I was young, you know. They coming too. They're going to drop those. Stay tuned to your sneakers app if you made it this far. We got a shock drop later on tonight. And tomorrow, stay tuned around 7 a.m. Pacific through 12 p.m. for any shock drops on sneakers app. Blam. These deserve time, so any of you guys are looking to buy them, yeah, reverse duck camo on top of the suede, and it's reversed, so it has a different texture. The printing, the stitching, everything. Man, sneaker of the year, maybe. You guys let me know what you guys think about this. Did you grab these? Were you able to? Are you planning on grabbing them? So on and so on. SGK 23 TV Network, SGK 23 TV Sneaker Show. Peace and blessings. Stay up, everybody.